mga kabataan, may mga bagay na hindi pa siya totally sin, committed, pero pumapasok na tayo sa teritoryo ng kasalanan na para bang papunta na rin tayo dun. It's always a step further or step away from the clutches of sin. Remember, you just cannot get away whenever you want to. If you commit a sin, it's not, I'm not gonna commit a sin tomorrow. It's not that. It has a clutch, a grip. Kaya nga parang venom kumakapit na hindi mo siya maiisip na bukas titigil ko na to. Kasi kumakapit siya, you just cannot get away whenever you want to. Kaya nga tayo kailangan ng Savior. Somebody has to save us. We cannot get out. So, what will save you from traps and clutches of sin? Righteous living.